Hola guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome as well. Today I have a collective haul, things that I bought for my home because I've been changing a lot of things here and there. Your style starts changing. I had a lot of farmhouse, and it's nice and everything. I'm just over it. For me, for my home, I'm just like, I wanted a change. I like more of the mid-century bohemian style, a little bit of whatever I like, so I'm going to show you the things that my husband and I picked up over the weekend. And then in the future video, I'm really trying to get back into this video because I have another channel called Frugal J, which is Dollar Tree hauls and stuff like that, things on a budget. I do a lot of hauls over there, and so sometimes it's hard for me, but I really want to get into this channel because it's a lot of things that I enjoy doing in my home. So in a video, because I'm going to be leaving to Chicago, and hopefully I get the chance to show you where I'm going to be using a few things in my home that I purchased over the weekend, like how I'm going to use some of these items. Some of these items I won't be able to use right away because we're still like changing, remodeling, changing walls, wallpapers, all kind of stuff in my home. So it will have to stay in the bag for a little bit. I'm sorry guys for the long intro, but I hope you guys are doing well, feeling amazing, living your best life. And let's get to this haul. All right, so I'm just gonna grab bags because it's just easier that way. My husband and I have been wanting to get what do you call these? Air diffuser? Is it an air diffuser? I guess that's what it's called. Anyways, it's a diffuser. That's all I know. Oil diffuser. And I like this look because to me it goes with my home perfectly, because I have a lot of like wood tones, neutrals, and all that stuff. And so I just feel like with the black and the whites and all that stuff, it'll stand out. It'll be like a nice piece that I can use also as decor on a table, on a side table or something. So we got this one, and it comes with 3 little oils, and the oils are lavender rose, lavender, and lavender lemongrass. A lot of lavender. I like lavender, but this was a little too much, so we also picked, this one was $22.99. and so we also picked up, we saw that they had eucalyptus, which is one of my favorites, and this was on clearance for $2. So I know guys, my nails look horrible. I haven't been able to fix them, which I will tonight because like I said, I'm leaving tomorrow morning. And another bag from Marshall's. And what I got here, I've been really wanting to like find her something similar at a thrift store, but I haven't been so lucky. And so I just gave in and I bought one at Marshall's. And so this is who I got, or what I got. And she looks a little like, but that's okay. I love stuff like this in my home. And she was on clearance for $16. And my whole idea for her is to put a candle. If not, I'll just put some beautiful florals, like, but I think a candle will look really nice. I don't know if it's gonna like ruin the top of her head. I'm not sure, but I really would like to either make my own candle, which that's gonna be a little bit of too much work. So I probably just get a nice candle that'll fit here, and then set her on my entryway table. So that's what I got there. I'm trying to see guys if I can stay in one order, but well, I only got one more thing from Marshall. Sorry for the bending. And it's this here, because I do have a set for decor purposes, but this one I'm actually gonna start using in my home. So when I'm cooking, So this was going to be in my drawer so the family and I can use it. This is just a bamboo set of 6 wooden spoons. You get the spoon, slotted spoon, spatula, slotted spatula, pointy spoon with holes, and a fork. And this was on clearance for $3. But right now they're on clearance for like $1. But that's okay. And we also went to Target because we were trying to find bigger pieces, which we did. We have a side table that cost us, I think, $90, but I'll show you a clip of that. And I've been debating if I wanted these or not, but my husband's like, we should get them and put them on top of our stove because I have like a big, not big, I think I want to change that cutting board. It's like wood cutting board laying on top of my stove, and he said they will look nice sitting there. This is by the Magnolia Heart and Hem Magnolia line. These were $5.99 each. So we got the salt and pepper to put on top of my stove. And then we got, I'm so congested that I don't know, sun-kissed ginger. Smells amazing, guys. And this was $14.99. And I just like the look of the jar, plus it smells really well, really nice. So I can still smell it even though I'm really congested. So isn't it beautiful? I have an idea. It's probably gonna go on my dining room table with something else I got here. And then I got this is lavender and eucalyptus, 2 of my favorites, and it's just really pretty classic looking candle, and it was only $5. So I grabbed it more like for my bathroom, my bedroom, so it'll help us relax, unwind at night, stuff like that. So we got that. And my next bag is also from Target, and it's just one item that is also gonna go to my dining table. I need to go to Hobby Lobby and get me some florals, but it was this piece, and I saw another YouTuber haul this for her. She was redoing her, like her little, I don't know what you call that, like patio area. I don't know. It's not you know, her backyard sitting area, really nice. And I saw her with this one. I'm like, oh my god, that's pretty, but I completely forgot. But then when I saw it at Target, I was like, that's the same one that girl was hauling. This was on clearance for $13.99, regular price $19.99, and it is from the Heart and Hand. And this is what I got. So I thought that candle would look really nice next to it with some nice pretty like cosmos or something, or even eucalyptus, I don't know, or some olive, you know, picks or something. But this is gonna probably most likely go on top of my dining table. But that is it, guys. I think that's all I have to share with you today on this haul that I'm gonna be doing. Little things here and there that I'm gonna be adding to my home, and then hopefully it won't take me so long to do the video where I take forever to show how I'm gonna use it. Oh, you know what, before I say my good nights or good morning, because I don't know what time you're gonna watch this video, let me show you the table really quick. All right, guys, so that is it for this video, and I think I already said that. Have a great night, a great morning. I don't know what time you're gonna watch this, but don't forget that I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.